So here we have another unboxing video. This is for a set of Lexus style rear lights. This is a black version we carry in stock, and this is to fit the 206cc. So we'll have a quick closer look and see what they'll look like. So as you can see, these have got a matte black background finished with a totally crystal clear lens. These lights are supplied complete with bulbs fitted. They are E-marked, MOT compliant, road legal, etc. These are really easy to fit and they're all pre-wired, so they just plug directly into the vehicle's wiring loom. So you can probably fit these under 10 or 15 minutes. You know, it's a really easy to do job at home. Overall build quality and finish is really good.